Greetings, this is Divine from Divine Destiny Digital. I just want to talk to you guys for a quick sec. What we're going to discuss is the difference or Stan Store versus Resell Circle. A lot of people in the digital space is always a Stan. I heard it so often, and I'm at Resell Circle, so I did a comparison. These are facts. These are not my opinion. These are true facts. Leave comments, share, like, all of the different things. It's going to be about 8 topics. Differences that I'm gonna bring, but the 9th one is gonna blow your mind. So stay tuned. If you can't stay tuned to the 9th one, it'll be an ebook in the somewhere in here in the platform where you can connect, get the ebook, read it at your own spare time. Number 1, I want to start with the purpose of both platforms, and I got the notes because these are facts, and I wanted to make sure I stayed on top of it and not differentiate with my feelings and what's really real. So the primary purpose of Stans was for a quick link, for people to quick link. It was a storefront, and it's also a payment system. They're designed for all of these things to happen. At Resell Circle, this is a digital business in a box. So there's a host of different things that came with it, like affiliate programs, different things that came with that one. And it does a payment plan, and it also has a link tree. Now, I want to go through a few quick points after we've discussed why they both were designed or the purpose of both of them. The first quick point that I want to talk about, and it's the most important one to me sometimes, to a lot of people, especially people getting started, and that's the community. The community. At Stan Store, you're self-promoting, so there's no community. You're a solo artist. Stan's houses your product, and you got to go get it. When Resell Circle was designed as a community, it's a profit sharing community, and the support from the community through mentorship and meeting twice a week. So those are the pluses there, and the meetings are at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and it's on everybody that's in Resell Circle's link tree, or at least it came on a link tree with a host of other books, so it's equity as soon as you come in. But next point, residual commissions. Residual commissions. At Stans, none. There's no residual commissions. You purchase the item that you came for, and it's it. You over, it's out. But at Resell Circle, it's a little bit different. Not only do you have residual incomes that pays 7+ different ways throughout the platform, but the residual income comes in because once a customer comes in, the customer is your customer for life. Now, the customer can purchase from anybody on Resell Circle, and you still gain. If they purchase something from you and you self-promoted it, you'll get 100%. If someone else brought that person in and they purchased from you, you'll get 60%. 30% goes to that person who brought them in, and 10% goes to the platform. So it's a host of different ways to earn commissions here at Resell Circle. Training and education. Training and education. Over at Stans, none. But at Resell Circle, not only do they meet twice a week, or we meet twice a week, but you also have the inner circle. The inner circle is where Platinum Plus members meet with Millionaire Coach Al. And what he does, he's the owner and the engineer behind this platform and a host of others prior. But what he does is he gives us the inside scoop and tips from his 30 years plus of experience, and where we learn different things and how to pivot and just different nuances and different ways of how the digital system as a whole operates and works. Affiliate system. The affiliate system through Stan Store is through your Linktree or Zapier. Those are the only 2 ways that you're affiliated at Stans. But at Resell Circle is a built-in affiliate system. Again, this is a profit sharing community. And by it being a profit sharing community, if you did some work in the community for that sale, you're going to get paid. And it's structured to receive commissions on multiple levels. And when I say multiple levels, it's 40%, 50%, and 60%, depending on how many customers you have. So once you have a certain amount of customers, your increase of a commission start happening there. We're getting close to the end. This is the one that really knocked my socks off, and it will yours too. And this is what's so epic about Resell Circle opposed to all other platforms. The reason why I use Stan is because I hear Stan all the time and I see it everywhere, and I subscribe to Stan. So I learned what to appreciate. Long-term income potential. That's what's so important. This is called leverage. When you're able to do something one time and get paid for it multiple times, at Stan, that doesn't happen. As soon as you stop promoting your product or stop working, so does the sales and so does the income. When at Resell Circle is a little bit different. The long-term income consistently goes because all of the customers that you have and they become subscribers, you get a percentage of that subscription from 40, 50 to 60%. And that depends on how many customers you have, the increase, and you get paid consistently. This is the part that just really did it to me and took it to another level. All right, that's leverage. We understand it and respect it. But at Resell Circle, they have a legacy program. A legacy program is all of the work that you gained, all of the income that you receive, and all of the commissions and all of the different things that you do at Resell Circle that starts happening, consistently. Every month when subscribers pay, you get a percentage. Do you know that you can leave that with a loved one? That you can leave that with someone that when you just tired or you finish or you expire, that you can leave your income from Resell Circle to a loved one or to whoever you decide. Do you know that that told me two things? One, it told me that all of my work wasn't in vain, that I'll consistently receive the income from my work, that hard labor. And the second thing that it told me was, it's gotta be enough money here that you're willing to let me leave it to someone else. The platform wasn't greedy about that. The platform didn't want to take it. The platform was giving it back. So that's why I chose Resell Circle. Now I put an ebook together on this very topic. It's going to be connected to this link in the bio. It's also like, share, comment, all the things that you do. I really want to hear from you. I really want to hear from the people that said Stan. And how I want to hear from them is by them connecting to the link in the bio, coming on over to Resell Circle so that we can make a host of money together. And if you are someone who just wants a store front and a one-time sale, and you're not looking for residual income, you're not looking to leverage your time for money, you're not looking for anything extra, the only thing you want to do is make a sale, Stans is your guy. Stay at Stans or go over to Stans. But if you need community support and you need a team, you need mentorship, you need commissions and residual from leveraged money and efforts that you put in that you can leave through a legacy program to someone else, then I would suggest, listen, I would suggest, it's almost funny to not see the difference. Look, fact check. Don't just take my opinion and my advice. Fact check. My opinion is Resell Circle is better through the facts that I just shared with you. Have a good one.